Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, December 19th. We are looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So the bull that is incredibly strong. As even though we were very methodical today and didn't seem like we were going anywhere, look at ES. The entire volume, the entire day was done above half back. Look at these pullbacks in C, F, and H. You know where they are? Exactly the previous all-time high from almost 2 years ago, right? January of 2022, January 5th to be exact. So almost 2 years ago, we get it today, and look how we pull back to it. We go out with a very strong price probe late in the day. 11 wide POC in ES, a 10 wide POC in SPY. SPY never got 11 wide. NQ. New all-time highs, price spike, price probe, 12 wide POC, afternoon pullback F and H. Righty took to 328 to take out the IB high. Then they attempted to go trend, which failed. But they go out with a price probe and an afternoon pullback in F. They only ended 8 wide, but they came out of a 3-day balance to the upside. So again, this market right now is still all systems go. I don't care what you see, read, hear. The market will tell you when something stops or when something changes. Like right now, I'm sure there's people screaming all over Twitter as they see this coming in after 4 o'clock in the maintenance period that we have excess at the high. That's people who just keep trying to pick highs. Right now, the market is still very strong. Right, all pushes up are all new highs in NQ and ES. SPY still hasn't hit their all-time high. Triple Qs did. Had a good day today. Even though it was a small range, at one point ES looked like it was going to have out its 9th smallest range of the year, or 8th, and then with that pop, it got out of it. However, the volume is still very weak. So unless we do about another 6 million in the after hours, it could be in the top 10 lightest volume. Russell, 49 million again. They averaged 31 million. So again, the Russell is being bought by heavy, big-time, long-term money as it tries to play catch-up. I was long in ES in A period to get our all-time high, which worked out. Then I was long in NQ on a pullback in A period against the opening, which worked. So early on, I was looking for nothing but longs. I was long in NQ and B period to take out A's high. I was long ES in C period to get the IB high. I was long in NQ again when it pulled back against the opening in C. Then I flipped a bit because the market, now yesterday and today, ES attempted to go trend 3 times and each time failed. Still hit all-time highs, but they couldn't hold trend. And NQ couldn't hold it either. So when NQ popped up in D and E, shorted both of those because I didn't think we'd hold single prints. And they didn't. And then I had 2 very nice longs in NQ in F and H. Once in F and once in H for afternoon pullback lows. I did not buy ES because it just didn't get far enough away at the time from the POC. Now, POC got raised again, but it was an E's low. Plus, half back and value low were lower. They both went higher now when we spiked. So I was looking for ES to get closer to their value low and half back, which was closer to the overnight high. Then I would have longed ES also. Didn't happen, so I just longed NQ twice to go back to POC. And those worked out. And then the last trade of the day, I shorted J period in NQ. I faded the edge. I didn't think we would go at that point and make a high or go running. Now, after J, things get off the table. Yes, I could have faded K and would have worked. ML would have worked. But if you tried it in M, look what would have happened. As far as destinations, SPY's high is 474.92. And then they have single prints. They start from 474.93 to 475.31 from January 5th of 2022. We ate into them today. For the downside, price probe 474.48, 10 wide at 474, afternoon pullback low of 473.63, And today's low, 472.45. ES, downside, 17 is the price probe. 12.25 is your 11Y POC. 08.25 is your afternoon pullback low. 96.50 is your today's low. And the only upside destination left in the world for ES is 21.50. 48.21.50, which as of right now is our all-time high. And then let's look at the charts. So, a couple things. Schwab, they have a wrong monthly low and weekly low so far. So, I can't change it though, unfortunately, to the end of the month and the end of the week. There was also a bad daily low, but I changed that. The monthly is humming along, okay? Up, one time frame and up 2 months. The monthly low is 454.31, I believe. So not even close to what this is showing. So the monthly is up. Look at this in the weekly. Look at this bad print. Okay, that's not even close. The weekly is up, one time framing up for 8 weeks. At the end of this week, unless we come in $40 and trade there, I will fix the weekly low. But for now, the weekly is up for 8 straight weeks. And the daily came out of a 3-day balance in SPY up. ES never stopped being up, really. They had the inside day, but they, right? So ES is technically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days. They came out of an inside day 8 days ago. They're one-time framing up for 8 days, technically, ES. For SPY, just came out of a 3-day balance because we took out that previous day's low because of the dividend. Again, I hope you had a great day trading. Come check us out here. I'm holding that special to the end of the year, $225 for the year, with 10% going to St. Jude's. So come join us for a very, very affordable price while helping out a great cause. Enjoy your evening. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel. And I'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.